Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to paint a Christmas ball ornament. I made this one few days ago, a rough sketch you can say. And today I'm going to paint a ball ornament like this one with poinsettia. First, make a circle for the ball using a compass. You can use a round plate or ball as well. First, I am going to paint the sides of the ball using lighter shades of Prussian blue. I am making the sides darker than the middle to give it a 3D look. Applying a little amount of burnt umber on the sides to add shadows. Now let's paint the top part with gumboes and the lips using sap green. And now I am going to paint the poinsettia using scarlet. Oh, I did a small mistake here. Make sure guys, while painting the flower, the outside areas are dry or else the color will bleed out. But don't worry, we will blend it later. Let's paint the ribbon now. I'm using rose madder glue here. I'm mainly using green and red so that it gives a more Christmassy kind of look. Applying sap green on the leaf. I'm painting the rope using Prussian blue. I'm applying rose madder glue on the flower to make some veins. Adding another layer of rose madder glue on the ribbon to add some shadow on it. I'm going to apply gouache and scarlet on the background to get the bokeh effect. Adding a little amount of gouache and scarlet on the ball ornament as well to make the reflections of lights. Here I am applying burnt umber to add some shadow. I am going to use white gouache to add snow. You can use white watercolor as well. Just don't add much water. And our ball ornament is ready. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day.